Halo,
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello all, we are from Group 4BP. We'll present the result of our report with the title Campus Forest Flora of Jember University, location of the Faculty of Engineering, with group members consisting of Dea, Sabrina, Taksha, Abelia, Salwa, and Amaril.
okay, for the first is introduction. The University of Jember campus is known as the Green Campus. It is home to many shady trees and ornamental plants, providing a habitat for various species of birds and forming a healthy ecosystem that serve as a means of conserving local biodiversity. The Faculty of Engineering is one of the faculties at of Jember that focus on the development of engineering and technology. This faculty is one of the areas on the University of Jember campus with many shady trees that provide habitats for various types of large trees, shrubs, undergrowth, epiphytes, ferns, and mosses. Fieldwork is a direct way to reorganize and classify flora in context. Plant systematic covers scientific classification based on morphology, taxonomy, and evolution. So this is the goals or objective of the systematic plant field practicum. For the research period is on May until June 2025 is observation and collection of specimen data in Faculty of Engineering, University of Jember.
Next is the research method. For the research flow, namely, one, determining location and division of work areas, data collection was carried out directly in the Jember University campus area. Two, tree data recording. Each tree in the work area is observed and its type is recorded. 3. Observation of epiphytic plants. On each tree, types of epiphytic plants attached to the trunk were identified. And the last 4, data analysis. The descriptive data analysis by calculating the number, diameter, and percent of epiphytic cover on each host tree. Next. Next, there are the tools and materials used. Next.
Okay, this is a table about diversity of tree species. Next. There are 28 tree species in the Faculty of Engineering area. The most abundant species is P1, is Wetenia macrophylla with 20 individuals. The list is P59, P62, P54, and P48, each with only one individual. The largest diameter is P59, at 101.27, and the smallest is Citrus exoratifoli and Otatea acuminata. Next.
Okay, the next is diversity of epiphyte species about this table. And then next, the first is Pyrosia pilosoides. The highest coverage value is Pyrosia pilosoides with a maximum coverage percentage reaching 70%, indicating that this species has a fairly strong distribution and dominance. This Pyrosia pilosoides different with Belvisia mucronata. The lowest coverage value is Belvisia mucronata with a maximum and minimum percentage of only 5%, indicating its very limited distribution.
This table 4.3 based on table, it can be seen that Samania Saman is the host tree with the highest percentage of epiphyte coverage. At 310%, its average diameter is only 39 cm, but despite its relatively narrow diameter, Samania Saman is the most heavily colonized host tree with a total of 12 trees in the tree-cut column, all of which host nearly 6 epiphyte species. Next.
Look at this. This is a picture of Samanaya Saman or the Trembacy tree as the dominant host tree. Swila et al. 2015 state that the most common epiphytic habitat are the most common epiphytic habitat tree are teak, Trembacy, Sambi, and mahogany trees. The dominant tree is the Trembacy tree, possibly because the bark of the Trembacy has a soft fiber texture that is easily penetrate the roots of epiphytic plants. And then let's see. Here's a image of Pyracea pilosoides, which is the most dominant epiphyte in this study. Sofianti and Isda 2018 explained that the rhizome of all Pyracea species show a similar growth pattern, namely creeping, and then Phylloscelides has a smallest rhizome diameter, which is approximately 2 mm. The advantage of the small rhizome of this epiphyte is that it can be attached to narrow gaps on the tree surface that are inaccessible to large epiphyte. The small rhizome produces short, strong roots that can cling tightly the root surface of the tree bark, including Trembacy, which has a cracked surface texture. Next.
Okay, the last is a conclusion. Research on tree and epiphyte diversity in the Faculty of Engineering area, University of Jember, found that the total number of tree was 132 individuals with 28 types of tree species, while there were 7 epiphyte species. The dominant tree in the research area was Terminalia catapa L with a total of 38 individual trees at various observation points. The largest diameter tree was Robinia pseudoacacia with an average diameter of 101.27 cm, while the dominant epiphyte was Pyrrhosia pilosoides with a percentage of coverage reaching 70%. The host tree with the highest total epiphyte coverage was a Samania saman with a total percentage of epiphyte coverage reaching 318%, indicating a high level of distribution and adaptation in the Faculty of Engineering Environment, University of Jember. This is a bibliography we use. Next. That's all for our presentation. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.